Anyone who wants to see a high-performance motorcycle, don't forget the BMW S1000RR, because every part of the RR has been designed to maximize it. Take, for example, the frame layout with new suspension technology that makes the RR lighter and more precise. In addition, there is an ergonomic and perfect seating position, which is unmatched thanks to the modified frame and fairing design. The standard LED headlight gives this motorbike a truly dynamic and aggressive look. Seen from the rear, the RR dominates in terms of design and functionality. 10 years after the first-generation RR first amazed the motorcycle world, it has now entered the next level of performance. With 207 HP under you, power that pushes your RR to the maximum with a maximum torque of 113 Nm at 11,000 RPM. BMW Motorrad globally has just refreshed their flagship lineup in the superbike segment, namely the BMW S1000RR. There are quite a lot of changes to this superbike, starting from the body sector, aerodynamics, frame, and of course there are also changes to the engine sector that refer to the highest variant, the M1000RR. But the most visible is the front design with the embedding of winglets. The winglets are made of composite plastic, which immediately makes the appearance of the S1000RR sportier. Really looks like a racing motorbike. The winglets are claimed to be able to provide 37.7 kilograms of pressure at a speed of 299.3 kilometers/h. That way, it is certain that the front wheels will remain on the asphalt, even though they are driven at high speed. Although the winglets used look like the M1000RR, it turns out that the resulting pressure is smaller than that type. Another component that is also derived from the M1000RR is the variable height intake funnels that can go up and down to adjust the engine speed.